In this instance of Dunavant tablet training for XRS and TMW TruckMate, we're going to review logging into the XRS application. From the tablet home screen, you'll have several tabs up at the top, including Omnitracs XRS, communication, navigation, imaging, and other tools. If you select Omnitracs XRS, you'll see the XRS icon in the very center of the screen. Once you select it, it will launch the XRS application. From here, you can put in your user ID, your driver ID, as well as your password. Please use capital letters when logging in with your user ID. In order to do that, double-click on the up arrow that's in the bottom left hand of the keyboard. It will light up green, letting you know that you are in test mode, or that you are in capital letters mode. Enter in your driver ID and hit the next button. From here, you can put in your password and hit the go button on the keyboard on the right-hand side. From here, I strongly suggest you checking the Remember Driver ID in the bottom left-hand corner so you don't have to type in your driver ID every single time. After that, click the Login button at the bottom, and this will log you into Omnitracs XRS. It will ask you to ensure that this is the correct vehicle, and download any messages that you have received from dispatch. After it's completed, it should bring you to the hours of service screen where you can access your scheduled stops, your messages, and your logs. In the next video, we'll go over how to review offered trips that have been sent to your inbox on your tablet.